What's up guys, Jonas here, and today I will show you how to clean your white sneakers using the tissue method. All you need to have is a brush, powdered detergent or dishwashing liquid, tub, water, and tissue paper. Before we start, I hope you subscribe to my channel because I'm planning to raffle a shoe cleaner when we hit 500 subscribers. Now, let's clean these dirty kicks. Fill in the tub with water. Put the powdered detergent or dishwashing liquid. Brush until the dirt gets off. Rinse the shoes with water. Cover the shoes with tissue. And you air dry using an electric fan. The beauty of this method is that the tissue paper absorbs the yellowing of your shoes, so it does not only makes it cleaner, but also whiter. That's all for now guys. I hope you learned from this video, and if you did learn from this video, I appreciate if you hit that like button down there. You can also comment down below what is the brand of the shoe cleaner that you want for me to raffle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.